What is up, my keys and queens? It's your girl and Miss Maria J. We're back with another video. Make sure you go ahead and like and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single video when I post. Let's get into it. So to start off my spring break, I went ahead and treated myself to some time at the nail salon. This is something I have to do once a month. I always go get my French tip gel pedicure every single month. I never miss a month. If nothing else is done, my toes is done. While I'm at the nail salon, I like to either do some homework or I might be on the phone talking to a friend, but I'm doing something. Okay. Y'all remember when it used to be cheap to get y'all nails done? Like, full sets used to be like $20, and that was with acrylic, but we was real little when that was happening. But yeah, as a content creator, a college student, and a businesswoman, it is easy to forget to take care of yourself since you're so busy all the time. So that's something I have put as a priority for 2024, and from now on, I have to make sure I put myself first. Y'all might as well have got a massage or something, the way she was doing my feet. Yup, French tip, girly. Get into it. My feet look long. Am I tripping? My feet look long, like looking at it this way, but like looking at it this way, my feet look short, but looking at it this way, it look long. But I ain't got no big feet though, so don't be trying to talk about me because my feet are not big at all. Alright, now when it comes to my car, I do not play by my car. I keep my car clean. I try to take it to the car wash at least once a week. But I've been so busy lately that it's been cut down to like every other week. And my goal is to always at least shampoo my car seats once a month when I come home, because I have been coming home a little more this semester. Having a car is a lot more than just putting gas in it and driving it. You have to keep it up on the inside, the outside, and the other body and all that. So it's just like, I don't play by my car because my dad don't play by his car, and he taught me how to take care of my car. So we just gonna keep the tradition going. Now with that being said, I just want to clarify, I don't take my car to no shop. My dad do all that for me. Even then, I still be asking my dad for gas money every now and then because I know he gonna give it to me. So, and I'm still at the age where I can depend on my parents if I need to. Like, I'm not about to sit here and struggle for no reason. I don't know why y'all be trying to like, oh, well, I had to struggle to this, to that. My parents not gonna let me struggle, and I'm not ashamed to say that. In this day and age, everybody just want to have a struggle battle. Like, what's up with that? Okay, y'all, so I'm about to take these braids out as part of my monthly maintenance. I've only had them for maybe 3 weeks. Yeah. Y'all say hey to Kate. Wait, it's not focusing. Let me turn my brightness down. Okay. Hold on. Is it focusing now? I think so. Is it? Dang, why is it not focusing? Oh, there we go. There we go. Look. After we get this hair out, I'm gonna press it. I'm gonna wash, deep condition, press it out, and then we're gonna get a wax. Period. I need to look and see what time I can go tomorrow. But yeah, who you know edits this long? Nobody. Nobody. No scalp don't show nothing. That's how you know I took care of my braids. I gets down. I'm so glad I cut my hair. Hey. These is just too good. Like, these is just too good. I'm not sure if I've said this on this channel before or not, but I really love fruit, and I love Honey Crisp apples. Like, they are so freaking good. I eat 3 at a time.
Pick out fruit.
Like, at first, for me, starting out, it was the green apples. Then, when I found these Honey Crisp apples, oh, it was a wrap.
Yeah.
It didn't really take me long to take my braids out. It probably took me like an hour to take them out. But every time I take my braids out, I'll be considering like, maybe I could just wear my hair like this because my hair ain't even dirty. Because I never let my hair get dirty for real. But it's just like, nah, let's just go ahead and wash that. But yeah, so I went shopping in my mama room like any other daughter would do. And I found these my gel conditioner and shampoo. And I was like, okay, well, we're going to try that because I could not find my shampoo and my conditioner when I came home. Like, I don't know what happened to it. But it wasn't there. As if doing your hair is not already a long journey, I for some reason thought it was a good idea to not only record a vlog but also do a TikTok tutorial while I was doing it at the same time. I found some good products in my mama room, so yeah, y'all go check out that TikTok. I be having us do my edges. It's like I be having to slick pre-shampoo my hair, especially my edges, because like the edge control I use just be so strong. You know how you just be enjoying life and then you just get that one phone call from that person that know y'all not cool but still for some reason call your phone? Yeah, this was that face. And of course I ain't answering. I washed my hair twice, but this is not a hair vlog, so I didn't put all that in here. This is my hair at the washing. Just washing. Shrinkage is beyond real. Like, even though I cut my hair off because I wanted my hair to be short, it's nice to see my curls back tight since I cut off the bleached part of my hair. Because y'all know my hair was blonde. Don't get me wrong, y'all. You are supposed to section off your hair. But, yeah, I kind of don't feel like doing that. I'm rushing, so. And not to shy anybody away from cutting their hair, but just know that if you're going to do it and your hair is already thick, your hair is going to be 10 times more thick than what it was the first time. If you are subscribed to my channel and you've seen my other vlogs, then you already know what this is. If you don't have one, you need to get it. It changes your life. I took a whole nap with that thing on my head. So if you would like to purchase the exact one that I have in this video, it's definitely linked in the description box. No paid promotion, I promise you. I'm not making no money off promoting these. But if anybody's seeing this and want to work together, y'all can always DM me on Instagram or y'all can email me. It's also on my Instagram. Also, I saw a TikTok about somebody saying black hair doesn't grow. If your hair is not growing, you just don't know how to take care of it. And at this point, it's just irresponsible to not know how to take care of your hair because there's just so much information on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. It's so many black content creators out here helping y'all. And y'all just not listening to them. Because my hair be growing. My hair already growing back to my shoulders. And I just cut it 2 months ago. Maybe I'll do a hair maintenance tutorial for y'all. I know y'all asked for a skincare. Maybe I'll do a hair maintenance too. Yes, my comb is broke and bent up, but it still works, so it don't matter. It's a comb. Oh, just a quick little fun fact. My mom is licensed to do hair, so she has taught me how to do my own hair. So that's how I do my own silk press and all that. But yeah, if I'm getting a color, I'm definitely going to the shop. Yup, I ate that right up. I had seen a conversation where they was talking about how black women be having their ends bumped. I like my ends bumped. I'm the bump queen. I don't care. It's like the universe just be doing like, okay, yeah, Mario want to flat iron her hair tonight, so we finna make it rain tomorrow. But y'all can't stop no baddie. But yeah, y'all, go to Ivana's Garden and ask for Jada. Ask for Jada. If y'all start overbooking my West Lady, we will be into it. So y'all can book once a month. Anytime before like the middle of the month, because that's when I get my waxes. So I'm putting y'all on, so my appointment should come first. Period. Why Caitlyn driving to down here and she gonna be here for 5 seconds?
Business. Fool.
You trying to go to brunch Sunday or what?
Girl, I don't know. Did you?
Yeah, I'm picking up my nephew and it's just like, dang, what you gonna do when you get older and your friends like, yo, auntie fine. He gonna be so mad. He gonna have to cuss them out. He might have to beat them up. Damn. Oh, we got Ashton. Ashton. Say hey. Say hey. Period. He trying to act all hard because he see this camera out, but he really be laughing at me, y'all.
Oh, God, nephew, y'all. Oh, my God.
Ashton, okay, so like I was just telling him like, what you like? You see your auntie? You see me, right? You see me? Yeah. So like, what you gonna do like when you get older, and like you be having your friends and stuff, and they be like, your auntie fine. What you gonna do? You gotta tell them like you can't be doing all that. That's inappropriate. Like you can't say that about my auntie, right? You gonna let them know? You gonna stand on business? You gonna handle it, right? Period. Give me 5. That's what I'm talking about. I don't understand how he slipped through me blasting my music. Ashley. Ashley. You slept good? Okay. He ain't no baby now. He ain't no baby. This ain't no baby. And this a small grown man. Come on. Go take this pull up off. Cause you're a big boy. Yep. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. I forgot to record an outro for this video. So just make sure y'all go ahead and follow me at Miss Mario J on all socials and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know when I post. Thanks for watching.